So this is what I'm gonna make my lure out of. It's a hard plastic tube, that material in it. I'm gonna have to cut off these wings over here. I'm thinking almost like a spook top water bait. I'm gonna put some treble hooks right here. I'm gonna put a loop to tie onto, and then paint it. I'm thinking almost like a yellow and then a red belly. This is gonna have to be a really good one because I know the sheriff has got a lot of ideas in mind. He's gonna make something really good, and I really don't want him to beat me. Not to mention, I've got to catch the first fish because he always catches the first fish, and the first fish that I want to catch will be off of this. Is it gonna work? I guess not. Let's get started. Good girl, Gertie. Good girl.
Okay.
This is a lure. Got some treble hooks on the bottom. I'm gonna still have to drill a hole in the front to tie on to. I don't know how I feel about it, but it rattles. There's a lot of BBs in it. It definitely makes a lot of noise. I don't know about these rings though. They might be a little too small. The loops that the hooks are actually connected to are out of copper wire. I clear coated it, painted again, clear coated it, painted again, and It turned out pretty well. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it actually catches some fish. We shall see. Who reigns supreme on the lure challenge part 2. Coming up, guys. Check it out. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Go all the way down to the bottom and comment on maybe who you would like to see win. Which lure you think might win. We'll see you on part 2.